How to change clock position on lock screen. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. Now the process is very easy and simple, so just follow these steps. Go ahead and open up your settings, and once you're there, navigate to the lock screen, and from there click on clock style. Once you do that, you will get to a page that looks like this, in which you will find several different clock styles and positions that you can choose from. Now this will be different for each and every phone, so depending on what phone you have, you will see that you have, for example, as you can see right here, I have this in the center, I have this on the left of the screen, I have this on top. In other phones, you might have it at the bottom, at the right, at the middle center of the screen, depending on your phone. You can also have different styles that you can choose from, different colors, etc. So once you have choose the, say for example, I want to choose this one on the left. Now keep in mind that unfortunately for some phones, you cannot like custom position the clock depending on what you need. You can only choose from the predetermined options, and for others they can have that feature to position them as they want. So once you have picked your position that you liked, click on done, and that will save the clock position for your lock screen. It's that easy and simple. And yeah, that's it. You have just to work with what you got. So that was it for this video. That's how you can change the clock position on lock screen. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.